Let's talk about your assignment 11. So your assignment 11, I want you to practice how to use the mouse event. So we will let the user click on the pen. So they will dynamically to create and remove points. So here I say the point actually is the circle. So when the user left click on the mouse, where the point is, the mouse is click at, a point will be created and display at the mouse point. So then if the mouse move to a point and left click on that, so that point will be removed. So you can have your point actually display in the circle, or just don't make your circle radius that big. So here actually you see very colorful. That means I want you to use the random color to when you create each circle. So that means you need to fill your circle with different color. So here just a screenshot. That shows the program actually how they look like. So your program just run like this. There actually is a blank pen display. So then here you can have a pen display. So when your mouse left click, wherever they click, you have a circle display. So always say the point. So I want you to use different color, the random color. Okay. So then, but after here, if I move to the circle, but here instead I left click, I right click. So as long as you are within the circle, then those circles can be removed by using the right click. So that's why you can know here, actually you will readjust your action to the pen. So then you set on mouse click. So after your button is left click, right? So left click is easy because you can just using if that's left click, you can using the mouse event get X and Y. So you know the center for the circle. So you can just add that circle to the pen. So then with different color. But one thing is when you do the right click, right? You need to be careful. Right click, if I try to right click for somewhere they don't have a circle, actually nothing will happen. So only your right click, when you move the mouse to the circle, you right click, they will be removed. So on the other hand, remove will be a little difficult for your right click. So when you right click, right, after you right click, you got your X and Y location. So actually you need to go over all the circle to check if that circle contain the X and Y for your right click. So then they will remove that circle. Otherwise, they just do nothing like that. So just want you to remind you here. So to get all the circle from the pen, you can just using the pen get children. So remember they are a list. So then actually you need to go over is for each node in the list, you need to see they are contain that X and Y or not. So if they contain that X and Y, you remove that. If not, you do nothing. So that's your assignment 11.